episode of how you can do it too. I was actually doing a video on replacing front disc brakes. Well, I ran into a little problem. It's called a brake caliber mounting bracket, I believe is what it's called. But I'll show you what I ran into in just a second. But I had to order another one, and this was only $22. That's what I had to order. See how these all plunger down? I think these are called slider pins. And this is the mounting bracket, but I'm going to grab a video and show you a little closer. Okay, this is the caliber mounting bracket. You can see this one, it plunges in and out, but this one I worked and I couldn't get the caliber. There's, you can see the caliber. I got to push those back in, but I could not get this in or out. So it's pretty simple. I already got them broke loose, but it's only held by these. Let's see if you can see it. This bolt right here and this bolt right here, and I think I used 7/8, and I had to put my ratchet on it and hit it with a hammer because it was pretty tight, but you can see I got them loose now. But let's see, take this out. I'm gonna remove this one. There we go. Whoop, lost the washer. Don't want to lose that. But you see it should just slide on out. Yep, there we go. And I'll show you comparison to the new one, which the new one actually came. My lighting out here is really bad. But see how that one plunges in? That is, I don't know if I bent it or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, and should just have to slide it over, right over into place like that. Put the bolts back in, tighten it down. It's that simple. So I hope this has helped you. And I am making a video on replacing the disc brake. So, but if you run into this, like I said, it was only $22, and I probably spent, I don't know, 2 hours trying to get that in and out. You can see I even actually mangled it. But for $22, I can get a whole new bracket, and I was able to take that out in a matter of like 2 minutes. It was tight, I'm not gonna lie, but that's pretty much it. If you run into that problem, don't waste all the time. Just get a whole new bracket. All right, that was pretty much it, and have a good day.